All right, guys, welcome back. We got some XRP news and really just a conversation here in this video talking about the 4 years of waiting. December 2020 is when Ripple and the SEC decided to get into this legal battle and this tussle that has lasted for a really, really long time. It'll be 4 years this December. Hopefully it'll be resolved by then, though, right? Because there are a lot of people talking about, how close we could be to closing the book on this. And recently, some people were talking about, some reasons why XRP could still explode. And I want to give you guys my thoughts, kind of my investment strategy around XRP. I do hold a little bit. It's not one of these cryptos that, for me, is a top 10 crypto. I think that's why a lot of XRP people come to my channel for XRP content, because I just give you guys like my real honest thoughts and cover the news. I'm not like an XRP maxi. And I think that's refreshing for a lot of people, because there are a lot of people here on YouTube that just say XRP is going to $1,000 tomorrow. I own a little bit. I see the value in XRP. I love the company Ripple and Brad Garlinghouse and what they stand for. And I just give you guys the real information coming from my opinion as just somebody who holds a little bit, but also is a little bit, afraid, not afraid. What's the word? I'm basically not willing to take the amount of risk that some people are with XRP simply because of this lawsuit. And for me, there's a lot of faster horses, or for me, there's a lot of horses that are less risky because they're not in an ongoing lawsuit for the past 3.5 years. It's not to say I don't like XRP. It's just to say that I'd rather have, a lot more of my capital in things like Caspa, for example, Ondo Finance. These are large positions of mine, Bitcoin, Ethereum, right? That can change. And that's why I own a little bit of XRP. And we'll talk a little bit about that, around this. But so a crypto educator recently here, I'll take you inside this and give you guys my thoughts on this. A crypto educator has presented 10 reasons why XRP may be set for explosive price actions. As the XRP price is sitting at 53 cents, we've been kind of trapped in this range for a really, really long time, guys. You can see this is the daily chart going all the way back to, basically July 2023, where we did pop up and got up to like 90 cents. If you guys remember on the big news in July that XRP is not a security on the retail side, right? But then we just came all the way back down to 50 cents on a huge support line. We know that 50 cents is major, major support, came all the way back down. And we're basically sitting there right now. Okay, so according to the community pundit, the legal challenge is at its climax, with the ultimate court pronouncement being the awaiting event. Secondly, the educator highlighted Ripple's plans to list a USD-based stablecoin to rival Tether and Circle in the projected $2.8 trillion market. Notably, Ripple's stablecoin will launch on XRP's blockchain, XRP Ledger. This is a big deal. Based on this expectation, commentators see it potentially impacting XRP's market value. Furthermore, Mystery of Crypto drew attention to the upcoming XRP documentary, which will be available on the renowned streaming platforms like Netflix. He believes Netflix streaming the XRP documentary grants the asset more prominent spotlight. But the pundit took cues from the ongoing speculation about the arrival of an XRP spot ETF, which also could be a big outlier, and the potential for Ripple to go public as a publicly traded company. Now, Ripple's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, has reiterated that plans for an IPO are on hold. Also, ETF analysts like James Seifert believe in XRP spot ETFs may not surface anytime soon. Now, who knows, right? I think eventually ETF conversations will heat back up for other cryptos like XRP. Maybe it's a little too soon right now. But the crypto educator argued that XRP's potential for a price surge is supported by its recent relisting on Coinbase for New York residents and its return to the Coinmetrics CMBI 10 index. Despite these developments emerging last week, XRP's market value pretty much stayed the same. It's not really doing anything. The educator also attributed XRP's potential for explosive growth to regulatory clearances from the UK and the US and the prospects of tokenizing real-world assets on the XRP blockchain. Ripple CTO David Schwartz had previously stated that XRPL would become a favored platform for tokenization by next year. That's a really interesting point. The whole tokenization of real-world assets, Ripple has been at the forefront of that. I prefer right now Chainlink and Ondo Finance, but XRP is definitely in the mix. And if they get the legal clarity they need around it, then yes, they could become a crypto right in the mix of the RWA sector. They could become a crypto that is next in line for a potential spot ETF. So, and we know that the tech behind Ripple and what they're doing is massive. It's just all of the other outside stuff that's holding things back right now. It's the sentiment around XRP based on a lack of a full understanding and full regulatory clarity. And especially right now, what we're hung up on is the institutional side of XRP. Until that is all resolved, I don't see the price of XRP exploding. I don't see the price of XRP flying off the radar. So until that time period, what I would say and what I'm doing is watching all of these major stories related to XRP very closely and understanding that things could break in the right direction if and when we get good news, but things could also break in the wrong direction when we get not so good news. So as of right now, my way of investing in XRP is to own a little bit, which we accumulated right around 40 cents, 45 cents, which I'm comfortable with. I know that 50 cents is a big support line, and we have a lot of whale activity that comes in there. Been tracking that for years. So I have my position at 40 to 45 cents, and I'm just paying attention, guys. I'm paying attention to things that could positively impact this company long term or negatively impact the company long term. And I'm just watching eagerly and ready to strike. And I think that's a really important point. It's one of the reasons why you need to have, in my opinion, always have some cash reserves on the sidelines, because you never know when the opportunity of a lifetime presents itself, whether it's, this brand new crypto that you're researching, or, new news breaks on a crypto that you think is super bullish, and whatever it is, you want to have capital on the sidelines to take advantage of things at any given time, right? And I definitely have some cash on the sidelines in hopes and ready to go that if and when XRP were to start to really move, I might miss a little bit of the percentage gain, but I'm in this market every single day. I'm watching closely. I'll be able to catch a big part of the wave, okay, like I did even back in July, okay, on that little run up, and we made a nice swing trade on it on a separate position. So that's where I'm at with XRP, guys. Appreciate you guys for watching. If you're interested in checking out Margex, if you're looking to trade XRP with leverage, there's no KYC. Make sure you understand what Margex is. Don't just come into leverage trading and, if you don't know. You can do copy trading over here. They've got over 100 plus pro traders you can learn from. 500,000 copied trades are happening over there. So one click down below will get you started. You're going to get 20% sign-on bonus. Again, no KYC. Just get started today with Margex, one of the top leverage trading platforms out there right now. They've got a really, really cool platform, easy to use too. Links are down below. If you're interested in that, check it out. And then if you're looking to trade cryptos or stocks like a pro, XT Algo is my trading indicator where you could set up customized alerts for anything crypto stocks. Check out the website down below. Unbelievable options here. These prices are all much cheaper with the discount code linked down below. Appreciate you guys for stopping back by the channel. Give me your thoughts down below on XRP. What are your thoughts right now? Where are you at? What are you feeling? How are you attacking the XRP price right now? What are you doing? Sitting tight, buying, taking profits? Where are you at? Let me know down below. We'll see you guys in the next video.